Hello everybody, I just got this scooter today. It's a Ladped electric scooter LP80 from Temu. It was 152.95 free shipping. I ordered it on Sunday. It's a day off and just Monday was a holiday, and I got it today on a Wednesday, so not bad, 3 days shipping. Alright, so let's open this up, then we're gonna test this. This is my first electronic scooter. I need this one because my foot is owie from walking a lot when I go birding. So, and it says there that to keep this cartoon for at least 60 days. So I guess for a warranty. And this thing has a Tuya smart app. I guess it wants you to download that one to control or to lock the scooter. So, let me open this up. It should be on the tape, I think. So I'm going to keep the box for at least 60 days. So there's some direction here how to remove the scooter. It's kind of heavy though. I thought it was going to be lighter. It is heavy. So. Okay, it's the charger. It is the charger here, and some screws, an Allen wrench, instruction, and power cable. Okay, so let's see. Take that out. Out. Take this out. Oh, there's a kickstand, so you can stand up. Read manual later. This one goes here. Alright, so this thing comes with 3 Allen wrenches, 3 different sizes. So I just push the wire in and slide this in the hole. And get the screws and use the smallest Allen wrench. Screw this in here. There's a line. Not putting it right. Let's see. In. Where's the iron? Where'd that go? There we go. All right. And there's 2 more holes in the. Let's do it this way. Two more holes over here. Oh yeah, there. Two more holes here. So let me put the screws in there. And trying to figure out how to attach this where you can lift it. You're supposed to be able to lift this up. Pretty tight. This one's pretty too tight. It's not going in all the way. Yeah, I think I can't go in anymore. I lost thread on this one. I'll put the tape there just in case. So here it is. I'm supposed to be able to lock it here. That's lock. I haven't ridden a scooter in a long time. Very good height. I'm 5'7" and this is pretty good height. So I'm gonna try it and to I'll figure out the other stuff here. When you hit the brakes, it lights up in the back. There's the throttle, bell. Now, I'm gonna put it on. I thought it would be lighter. It's heavy because of the battery. I'm gonna charge this first. Now I gotta figure out how to lower that. Okay. Alright, so if you want to turn on the lights, make sure the thing is on, the bike is on. You push it once, push the power button once, and the light turns on. And in the back to turn it off, just push the button again, and it turns off. So what I think about this scooter, it's worth the price. I paid 152. It's good. Range is good. It's about 20 miles. Fastest speed is 19 miles per hour. And it took we only have 1 bar left, and I charge it for 3.5 hours. It fully charged in 3.5 hours, just about it, 3.5. And I took it to the park the other day, and the thing was very bumpy. So if you go on a bumpy road or trail, you're gonna feel the bump. It's very bumpy because this one doesn't have any suspension. So you're gonna feel it bouncing. My helmet was like bouncing. I think my brain was bouncing too. Yeah, it's very bouncy when the trail is not smooth. So that's the only thing I don't like, because I only paid 150. So yeah, there's no way they can afford to put suspension on them for that price. The brake works really well. It's in the rear. I believe the motor's in the front, and it works really well with braking. I tried to go in the park. There was a little bit steep climb, about like a 15 to 20 degree climb, and with my weight I'm weighing 175, and it couldn't do it. I didn't want to overheat the motor, so I just walked my tricycle up the hill. Just I don't want to burn it. I don't want to damage a new scooter. So. And I tried climbing up on a 20 degree angle. There's no way. It tried the 15, then it's starting to like, nah, I better not do it. So anything that's climbing is no good. And downhill, if you're gonna drive on the 20 degree downhill, this thing goes really fast. You don't have to put any throttle. It just goes downhill really fast. So I suggest, if you can't handle the downhill speed, just walk your scooter, because it's dangerous. If somehow you trip, then you're just gonna roll down fast. And the thing wasn't even that steep, so like 20 degrees. So that's it. This is the Ladped scooter. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I hope this helped. I got it from Temu for $152.96, I think it was. Yeah, I got it like in 3 days. I got it. Very fast shipping. Everything works so far. So I've been using it for this is the 4th time I use it in 5 days. So it's been worth it, and hopefully it'll last long. Right, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Have a nice day.